Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's fun video we're going to be decorating the workshop for Christmas. Now, even though the workshop has sawdust flying around a lot of the time, even with the air filtration unit running in the roof of the shop, I still like to decorate just a little bit to hopefully evoke a little bit of happiness for anyone who walks through that shop door. Of course, I love to teach scroll saw woodworking and hang out with the people that has helped elevate me and get me to the position that I am now. But Christmas can also be a somber and depressing time of year for some, and that is my goal, that when people walk through the door, as I said, that they see that, hey, this is a happy place, it's full of fun, it's full of nostalgia, and it's full of memories. So that is the goal I'm going for. I don't go above and beyond. Again, with it being a dusty workshop, I just put up a very small Christmas tree over here in the back corner. The Jolly Roger that I have over here in the corner as well will wear a Santa hat for the season, and I'll put a string of Christmas lights around the sticker swap sticker wall. You guys have seen me do this in the past, but I always love doing it each year and bringing it to video format for you guys to just also talk about how I will close the year. Of course, every year around mid to late December, I pack the cameras away and I spend the Christmas and New Year season with my family, friends, and loved ones. Even though I'm still out here making stuff and creating custom Christmas presents for family and dear loved ones, I also just step away from the platform. That way I can recharge my batteries and hopefully learn something new to bring to the platform in the following year. Every year when I do the break, people will constantly email me, contact me through social medias, private messages, and be like, hey, we hope you are not going away. We like watching you. We like the vibe. And I do appreciate that. But I also need a break myself to spend and just unwind with my family, friends, and loved ones. But without further ado, let's get the shop decorated for the Christmas season. Let's go. And we are going to begin by removing all of the trinkets and knickknacks off the top of the guitar amplifier that plays music year-round. And I'll grab the Santa hat and place it on the skull and crossbones, the Jolly Roger associated with pirates everywhere. And I'll plug up my little mini Christmas tree here on the amplifier. And then I will get out and do the yearly untangling of the strand of Christmas lights and make sure they are all properly working before looping them around the main portion of the sticker swap sticker wall. And I've done this in previous years, so there's screws still on the wall where I have looped them around. So all I'm doing now is simply re-looping them around those screws. And Christmas can be a depressing time for some, and the main reason I decorate the workshop is not only for you guys, but for myself as well as for anyone who comes over and visits during the Christmas season for a bit of holiday cheer. I want anyone that walks through the shop door that visits for a scroll saw woodworking lesson to know that, wow, this is a happy place full of fun, nostalgia, and memories. So I hope I am achieving that goal. I'm also setting up the heaters. Now that we are entering the cooler months, the workshop is neither heated nor cooled, so I have to have a heat source during the winter. I'll also have the wood stove. But while I've got everything up, I will pack away all of the trinkets and knickknacks in the white cabinet that houses my scroll saw woodworking and crafts magazine and Fox Chapel publishing books. They'll be stored away till next year. And one thing I want to do over winter break is clean out the overflowing scrap bin. It has so many offcuts of exotic and hardwoods and quarter-inch material that is simply overflowing, so I would like to clean it up and organize it properly. But as you guys can see, I like to decorate the workshop with previous projects and just inspiring stuff and photographs. And throughout the years, I have met so many amazing people through the woodworking community that help inspire me and helps motivate me to do better than ever before. But this is how I decorate the workshop for the Christmas and holiday season. And now I'm ready to buckle down and get ready for that busy and hectic season with a little bit of Christmas cheer out in the workshop. And I hope you guys have enjoyed following along. And that, my friends, is how we quickly and easily decorate the workshop a little bit for the Christmas season. It is now ready for the busy Christmas and holiday season 2024. This year has went by so quickly. I've been so busy. I've been happy to be busy. But you know, just with the hectic nature of everything, you're like, wow, am I ever going to get caught up? But I'm so looking forward to the holiday season, getting to go see some decorations, hanging out with family and dear loved ones that I don't get to really hang out with throughout the whole year because, again, of busy and hectic schedules. And I'm also looking forward to the end of year break. And I am going to talk about that, but I want to talk about some of the projects that I'd like to bring for the Christmas and holiday season. The newest issue of Scroll Saw Woodworking and Crafts magazine by Fox Chapel Publishing arrived on the doorstep, winter 2024, issue 97, and I've already got an idea of some of the projects I want to bring to life. I would like to bring this simple nativity scene to life just to show the versatility of a scroll saw woodworking pattern by shrinking it down and making it miniature and making a nice little base for it. Just a project idea there. Over on the laser, I have been prototyping and testing files such as this snowflake Christmas tree here, made completely out of 1/4-inch material I pick up at the Builders Center. So I've got a lot of ideas bouncing around in my head, and hopefully we can get to at least one place and see some decorations and hopefully document it over here on the channel. If not, you guys know I am on all the social medias and I will of course document it there. Now, speaking of the end of year break, I do this every year, and again, without fail, people are like, hey man, we hope you aren't going away from the platform. And it's just, I want to take some time to recharge my battery and spend some time with family, friends, and dear loved ones, as I said in the beginning. But I always wrap up around mid to late December. I will post a final Friday video, kind of a year in review retrospective. I love doing those. I'm going to have a clipboard in here soon, and I'm going to be jotting down things that I want to say to kind of do an end of year review video, you know, for 2024 and talk about my hopes for the next year. But then in mid to late January, I will pick the cameras back up and we will kick off the year with a shop tour. I always like doing those. It kind of reestablishes people that might have been gone away and introduce new people, hopefully, to the channel and where everything is out here in the workshop. I always enjoy doing those because it's always a walk down memory lane for me as well, because I get to see the progression of the workshop. I went back and watched my original shop tour, and it is so different now as opposed to when I done that first one. I believe I done that first one in 2019, early 2020. I can't remember that I done my first shop tour, but the shop has progressed, and that's just a evolution of your workflow and getting things out in your garage or workshop suited to your needs. I went ahead also and put the heaters up. We are getting into the cooler months. I do have the wood stove prepped and ready to go behind the camera, and of course now I will start saving all the scraps off the laser, off of the scroll saw, to use for a heat source in the said wood stove. I've got a barrel out here to where I can collect these scraps in, and when it gets full, just chuck them into the wood stove and get ready on a cool, crisp fall or winter morning that is, of course, fast approaching. But as you guys can see, I'm going to pan the camera around here, so here we go. It's on the tripod. You guys seen that I just simply put up a little Christmas tree I've had for several years now. I put a Santa cap on the Jolly Roger. So not a lot of decoration. Again, this is a active workshop with dust flying around and stuff sitting around everywhere. And then I put the string of Christmas lights around the sticker swap sticker wall, the original portion of it. If any of you guys still want to sticker swap with me, please know that I'm still doing that. I love to do it. I love to interact with everyone. Whenever I'm over here and you guys see me putting something together, if I'm holding something in place with a glue to grab, like in a video, I'll look up here, and this is just simply a wall of motivation for me. We've still got some room over here, and as I always say, when I get 15, 20, 25 stickers in, I will always do a sticker swap, sticker shout out to where, you know, I can give it back, you know, to the community and let people know where everyone is in this big, wide, creative world that we live in. But really cool. Thank you all for tuning in to watch me decorate the shop and get ready for the Christmas and holiday season 2024. Wow, we are already here. This year has really flown by, but I'm eagerly anticipating it, and I hope you guys are looking forward to the content that I bring toward the end of the year. Really excited about it, and all things new. You know, I'm always constantly learning. That's always another reason for the yearly break, to where I can hopefully learn something new over on the scroll saw, over on the laser, if I decide to jump back on the lathe, over on the lathe, or, you know, a tool like that, to where I can hopefully learn it properly and then properly in turn document it for a future video for you guys to hopefully enjoy. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you'll click that subscribe button and follow me across all my social media feeds under the Artisan Pirate name. As always, links to contact me as well as all my social media feeds will always be linked down in the description box below these videos. That's about all for this one, and remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Let's get the holiday season started properly. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.